Hi guys, welcome to Tech Show. We are back here with another video. So today is a very special video because today I'm going to talk about iOS 14 in real life before the launch. So आज हम इसके कुछ की फीचर्स के बारे में बात करने जाएंगे iOS 14 के और इसके कुछ बेसिक फीचर्स को जानेंगे. तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं बिना किसी टाइम वेस्टेज. मेक श्योर यू लाइक, सब्सक्राइब एंड कमेंट ऑन दिस वीडियो. तो जो नेवर मिस अनदर अपडेट, बेल आइकन भी दबा दें. तो पहले हम अगर इसको स्टार्ट करते हैं तो ऐसे दिखती है हमारी कुछ होम स्क्रीन. सबसे पहले देखते ही हमें पता चलता है डिफरेंस जो कि है विजेट्स का. अब इसमें एक छोटे छोटे ब्लॉक्स आ गए हैं. ये एंड्रॉयड में बहुत पहले से था. विजेट्स हमारे आ चुके हैं. यहाँ पे जाते हैं तो ये पूरा चेंज हो चुका है. अभी विजेट्स की फॉर्म में आता है. हम सर्च भी कर सकते हैं इसमें कोई भी ऐप सा जो हमें चाहिए. उसके बाद हम जाते हैं आगे करके तो यहाँ आता है मेल ऐप लाइब्रेरी. ये की है दिस इज अ ड्रॉर ऑफ एप्स इन विच यू कैन फाइंड मल्टीपल एप्स स्टैक्ड इन वन बिग स्क्वायर. इट हैज़ ऑटोमेटिकली it has just assigned the names to the folders and it has made some folders like this. So इधर social folders, यहाँ पे entertainment के folders. आप चाहे तो ये जो बड़े बड़े ऐप्स हैं, वन सेकेंड, ये भी मैं आपको बताऊंगा. जैसे आप ये बड़े बड़े ऐप्स हैं जैसे कि ये वाला म्यूज़िक कॉल, तो आप इनको डायरेक्टली ओपन भी कर सकते हैं बिना किसी मतलब फोल्डर को खोले. और जो ये छोटे छोटे से ऐप्स हैं इन पे क्लिक करेंगे तो यहाँ के सारे ऐप्स आपको दिख जाएंगी. आपको इसमें नया ऐप भी देखने को मिलेगा जो कि है गाइस. आई वाज टॉकिंग अबाउट दैट they have introduced a new page in this iOS 14, a new app, that is this app. This is a translate app which can translate any language into any language. So let me show that to you. So let me show that to you as such. So I'll say hello in English, so it will translate that. Let's see. Hello. It says hola. So actually it is not saying, actually it is, no, it's, let's try it again. It also speaks. Hello everyone.
Hola a todos.
So as you can say, hola a todos. That's what she said. And this is a brilliant app, and this is absolutely free. So this is a very nice software. So now I don't want so many pages because of this app library or app drawer. So I can just edit the screen, edit home screen. Just click on these buttons, the dots, and I can deselect them. And as you can see, I have only 2 pages. This is a cool feature. And Siri is very nice, and this page is same. This software is pretty nice. Now we also have NFC in this. As you can see, NFC tag reader as well. You just have to do it like this, and as you can see, and it can read the NFC. It can connect to speakers. It can just Apple Pay. Using Apple Pay, it can pay as well. This is very cool. This is a battery widget. You can also remove the widget. To add a widget, you have to just go to edit home screen, and you have to click on plus button, and then you can add various widgets. This is pretty cool. This software is very nice. And a small bit, you can go in this software, you can go to your music. Yes, in music they have add a motion. In this the art can be animated. Some arts, like let me go to music, and here we have music. So this is also changed. The libraries are here right now. So if we'll play any song, so now the best thing in this software, the Dolby audio of the speakers is also increased. That's kind of nice. That Apple does not told us. Oh man, the bass is also increased. Who's really? It's really a fact. They've increased the bass as well. Yes, you can feel the bass. Wow, the bass has increased, man. What the hell? Phone can produce bass. That's so absolutely cool. So as you can see, the background has also changed. Now the background will come with the color of the art. This is quite nice, like moving background. This thing moves. I don't know why in this song it's not moving. This is a pretty nice touch. So this was a small video on the software update. And in the music also, I have noticed when I play song, let me play that. So it's loading. So it's load. When I play and pause the song, it vibrates like crazy and like this. Tuck, tuck. This is very nice. This small thing makes the Apple much more better than before. And the speed has also increased. As you can see, this is iOS 14. I can go to general, then software updates, and it says checking for updates, and it says iOS 14 is up to date. That's pretty cool, and this thing is just phenomenal. In calculator, nothing has changed, and nothing much has changed, but in time you can see in previous software it used to say full Friday, but now it says only Fry, and the time is now bold, the date is bold, like 10th. This is quite cool, pretty cool, and very nice software. So as you can see, the Translate app is very impressive. This is just absolutely phenomenal app because it is just absolutely free, and this can translate way better. Very nice. You can also write the text like I say hello, HELLO. So let's go, and it says hola right there. Like I can write text and I can speak the text as well. So I can change the language from here. There are a ton of languages. Now they will also improve the number of languages later on, but this is quite nice. This application is very nice in this software, and the NFC one is also great because the NFC was the only thing which was missing on iPhones. So let's see that a big video can go or not. So let's see if I'll select a big large video. So yes, this is a video. So if we select that, the whole thing has changed only. You can see that everything is changed. How to select? There is quite, yes, here we have a select mode. Everything has changed. You can see select, and you can select the videos. Now I'll send them via WhatsApp, and let's check. Does it send whole? So it takes a lot of time. That is not improved on iPhones right now. Let's check. After checking, I have got that only 17 MBs of videos can be sent via WhatsApp. That is very saddening, but other things are just improved. This thing has become very fluid. The Samsung has widgets very many years ago, but this thing is very fluid to use as such, the widgets. And you can see if I move the widgets, edit widgets, so you can also add widgets in one widget only. Let me show it to you. Just like this, I have a widget and I can go like this, and if we are done, we can see them. You can change the widget as well. This is quite nice. This is a feature that people gonna love, and the app library is just fab. Like I have removed my all the apps, but my all the apps are organized here like this, like suggestions, recently added, entertainment, etc. So guys, this was a small video on the iOS 14. So hope you like this video, guys. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. Listen, bye bye.